Hi dear students, today we are going to design a OSPF network with two routers and two PCs. Okay, let's get started. So here go for the routers. So we are using a 1841 router for the OSPF configuration. Here I will just write OSPF configuration with two routers and two PCs. Okay, two routers and two PCs. So this is we are going to discuss today. So go for the PCs, one PC here and one more PC here. Fine. Now go for the connections. For the connections, for see, when you are connecting router to the PC, you have to go for crossover cable. So select the crossover cable, fast Ethernet and fast Ethernet 0. Either this way you can connect, or one more way is there, so you can go automatically. So go for automatic connection and again select the automatic connection from router to router. Clear? So this is how we are going to connect for router to router and router to the two PCs. Clear? Now we will give the labels to all the devices here. Okay, give the labels. What are the labels over here? For PC 0 we will write 192.168 dot 2 dot 1. Okay, r2.2 we will give here, and here this PC is 192.168.3.2. okay, so this is a 2 network and this is a 3 network. Clear? Okay, this is a 2 network and this is a 3 network. So what is the router address also we will give? So router address will be 192.168. as we have discussed before, router address will always starts with 1. Not compulsory it is, but maximum it will router will be the first device in the network. So that's why 192.168 here 3.1. Clear? There is a 2 network and this is a 3 network. Okay, now from router to router, see, this is completely whole, this is 2 network and this is 3 network, and here one more network will be available here, 192.168 4.2. okay, and this one 192.168 4.3. okay, so the labeling is done. Now we will go for the configuration. So go for the PC, configure the PC, go for the desktop IP configuration here, 192.168.2.2 PC 0. okay, then default gateway 168.2.1. clear? So that PC configuration, then PC1, if you go for PC1 desktop here, 192.168.3.2, right? PC1 here 3.2, subnet mask, and the default gateway is 192.168 3.1. okay, so that is your configuration. PCs are done. Now have to configure the router. So how to configure the router? So or mouse over on this connection. So can you see here F00, and here if you mouse over, that is F01. So F00 is connected to 2 network, F01 is connected to 4 network. So go for the router 0. okay, see here the router 0 here, go for the config F00, go for F00, that is 192.168.2.1. okay, and router port status must be on. So can you see, if status is on, you can see the green lights will be appear there. Then F01 192.168 4.2, right? So port status should be on over here. So router 0 configuration is done. So F00 M01, go for router 1. okay, another router here, for that router go for the config. Again same, if you mouse over here, this is F00 is connected to 3 network and F01 is connected to 4 network. The same concept here also. So F00 192.168 3.1. Okay, and port status must be on. And F01, see here, F01, that is 192.168, 4.3. Okay, then open the port status should be on. So no, now see here, all the network are appearing the green lights, yani the network is fully configured now. So just check now. I will just check with the message here. Can you see the message from here to here? Yes, it is successful. And the same message from here, this PC1 to router 1, yes, it is also successful, right? Now I will just check the message from the PC to any 2 network to the 3 network. So it got failed. Why? Because we didn't configure the OSPF configuration yet. Now what you have to do before going for OSPF configuration, you have to specify the area. So go for the color palette here, select fill color. Okay, select the color, select any color over here, and then you can draw it like this. Can you see this one? So this is one area, understand my dear? So that is one area. You just give the area name is area 1. Okay, you can give any name. So we have given the area 1 here. Okay, this is area 1, means these two routers are belongs to area 1. Now go for the router. Okay, go for the router 0. Okay, go for the router 0, go for CLI, type exit, again exit until you have to get this statement, that is a press return to get started. Until that you have to click exit. Okay, then enter, then router. So here we will enable, then configuration terminal, conf t, any configuration terminal. Here you have to give the router is using what protocol. So here router protocol is OSPF1. Okay, any number you can give, OSPF1. Now see here, router 0 here. So router 0 is connected to how many networks? 2 network as well as the 4 networks. So those 2 networks you have to specify here. So network, that is 192.168 2.0. Okay, 2 network is address is 2.0. And here the new thing you can see over here, that is all of us know that is what is the subnet mask, right? The subnet mask for 192.168.2.0 is, if I'll ask you, then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, right? So that is a subnet mask. Here we are not using the subnet mask, we are using the wild mask. We will call it as a wild mask. Wild mask is nothing but it is opposite to the subnet mask. Means wherever 255 is available in subnet mask, we will replace with 0. Wherever 0 in subnet mask, we will replace with 255. Yani 0.0.0.255. This is your subnet wild mask, and you have to specify the area here, area 1. Clear? So here see, you can see the area 1. Fine. So one network is specified over here, that is a 2 network. Now you have to specify the 4 network as well. So you have to give network, okay, 192.168 4.0 to wild mask is same, that is 0.0.0.255, and the area is 1. Okay, so 2 networks are available for this router. So we have given the 2 networks over here with the wild mask, and now you can go for exit here. So router 0 configuration is done for OSPF. Now go for router 1. Okay, go for CLI, type exit here, again exit here, again exit here until you have returned to the get started. Now press enter, then enable. Okay, then conf t, any configuration terminal. Here the router we are configuring with OSPF, right? OSPF 1 I will give. Now here also you have to specify how many networks this router 1 is connected. So here in this link, that is a 3 network, and this area 1, that is a 4 network. The same you have to specify here. Network 192.168.3.0 to wild mask is 0.0.0 dot 255, right? Sorry, you have to give, I am sorry that we didn't give the area is 1. Okay, understand, my dear? So see here, that is the incomplete command, so I didn't specify the area. Now 3 network is done, so you have to specify the 4 network as well. So here just 4.0, and the wild mask is same 255, 0.0.0.255, and the area is 1. Clear? Then enter, then you can go for exit. Now configuration, OSPF configuration for both the routers are done. Now we will check by sending the message. So from here to here, if you see, don't be panic, you just go here and click, because it will take some time to connect from the router to router. Okay, so we will go here and check whether it is working. Can you see this? Successful. Again, from here to here, you can see it is successful. Okay, so this is how OSPF configuration for 2 routers and 2 PCs are done. So do practice. Okay, all the best. I hope you understand. All the best.